मोदी जी की सरकार यहाँ है, चल रही है। देवेंद्र फडणवीस जैसा एक मजबूत मुख्यमंत्री यहाँ, होम मिनिस्टर यहाँ, फिर भी अपने कॉर्पोरेटर्स को कैद खाने में रखना पड़ रहा है। ये किसका डर है मोदी?
It's been more than 3 days since Mahayuti alliance in Maharashtra scripted history. 3 days since the Fadnavis-Shinde duo dealt a huge blow to Thackeray's, ending their unparalleled dominance for more than 2 decades over India's richest civic body, the BMC. But that's not it when it comes to Indian politics throwing surprises. Despite the decisive victory, the two parties, BJP and Shinde faction of Shiv Sena, have not been able to form a consensus over the mayor post, or so the opposition alleges. Uddhav Thackeray is mocking the ruling alliance, hinting at one more split of Shiv Sena. Resort politics has returned to India's financial capital, with Shinde Sena's corporators being rushed to the Taj Hotel. And Chief Minister Devendra Fadnavis is off to Davos for World Economic Forum, which means the process of electing a mayor is likely to be delayed until he returns to Mumbai. Hence, you would want to know the answers of these key questions. Is there any rift between the members of ruling alliance over the mayor post? What does Maharashtra Deputy CM Eknath Shinde demand from the Saffron Party? What fears is the Uddhav Thackeray talking about as he mocks Eknath Shinde's resort politics? Are there any hint of further political realignments over BMC polls? Most importantly, how are the numbers stacked up and which political party is positioned better? Let's understand. Before we dive deeper into the political nitty-gritty in Maharashtra, let's take a quick look at the number game. In the 227 ward BMC, BJP has emerged as a single largest party, bagging 89 seats. Its partner, Eknath Shinde, has won 29, while Ajit Pawar, who went solo in the civic body polls, managed to win only 3. On the other hand, Uddhav Thackeray's Sena fought along with brother Raj Thackeray's Maharashtra Navnirman Sena. The two parties won 65 and 6 wards respectively. Sharad Pawar's NCP won only 1 seat, while Congress got 24 wards. Asaduddin Owaisi's AIMIM and Akhilesh Yadav's Samajwadi Party got 8 and 2 wards each. And now starts the mathematical calculation. BJP and Eknath Shinde have easily surpassed the majority mark of 114. The opposition parties didn't contest unitedly, and a post-poll alliance seems highly unlikely. But even if in the remotest of the moves, these parties decide to join hands, they will still miss the majority mark by 8 seats. Or another way of looking at it is, if the grand opposition alliance comes together, it only needs 8 more seats.
हमारे 10 से 12-15 सीटें बहुत कम मार्जिन से हार गए, लेकिन महापालिका के सदन में, कॉर्पोरेशन के सदन में, बीएमसी के सदन में अपोजिशन की ताकत सत्ताधारी के बराबरी में है। हमारे 105 लोग अंदर हैं। क्या करेंगे ये लोग? मुंबई का सौदा नहीं कर सकते।
It is in this background that reports of a rift within Mahayuti have emerged over the mayoral post. It is being claimed that Deputy Chief Minister is demanding a fair share of power in the civic body. It has reportedly sought the mayor's seat for half of the tenure, that is, at least 2.5 years. One might ask, why is Shiv Sena, which is not even the single largest party within Mahayuti, is after the mayor post? Well, it is the political messaging that matters the most. For the last 25 years, Shiv Sena has ruled the BMC. If Eknath Shinde gets the mayor seat, it would further legitimize his claim over the legacy of Bal Thackeray. Incidentally, this year marks the 100th birth anniversary of the Sena founder.
मैं हमारे हिंदू हृदय सम्राट बाला साहब ठाकरे जी के आशीर्वाद से और हमारे देश के प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदी जी के मार्गदर्शन में ये शिवसेना को बड़ी जीत पूरे राज्य में मिल गई है। हम लोग तो बाला साहब ठाकरे जी का ही विचार को आगे बढ़ा रहे हैं, उनके ही विचार आगे बढ़ा रहे हैं और उनके विचार को ही लोगों ने स्वीकारा है।
However, the Saffron Party, known for hard bargaining from its alliance partners, is unwilling to let go of this opportunity to prove its dominance. In order to prevent any kind of horse trading, Eknath Shinde has directed his 29 corporators to remain in Mumbai's Taj Hotel for next 3 days. Downplaying the difference between Mahayuti, the Deputy CM, who met with corporators in the hotel, claimed that he interacted with them only to discuss plans for the coming days. However, Uddhav Thackeray claims that Eknath Shinde is worried that the BJP would split his own party.
उनकी पार्टी तोड़कर ये महापौर, जैसे मेरी पार्टी तोड़कर मेरा ही मुख्यमंत्री बनाया था वैसे उनकी पार्टी तोड़कर वो महापौर बनाएंगे क्या, वो देखने जैसी चीज अभी इंटरेस्टिंग होगी ये बात। मुझे लगता है कि उनकी पार्टी तोड़कर वो महापौर बनाएंगे, भाजपा महापौर बनाएगी।
Amid all these political calculations, fear of realignments, vertical splits, and resort politics, Chief Minister Devendra Fadnavis has flown to Davos. Since he is scheduled to return on January 24th, the decision to elect BMC mayor has been put on hold, and the drama around the tussle is far from over.